Exposing the secret to YouTube success without uttering a word. Imagine reaching millions without ever speaking a single sentence. You don't need to speak English to crush it on YouTube. In fact, you don't need to speak at all. So here's how to grow your faceless YouTube channel. Whether you're camera shy or just prefer to stay behind the scenes, these tips will help you thrive. First, find what's trending. Head to Google Trends and see what people are searching for. This tool is invaluable for discovering hot topics. Pick topics that have high interest but low competition. This sweet spot will give you the best chance to stand out. Brainstorm ideas that align with these trends. Think about how you can add value or a unique perspective. Next, get creative with your content. Use visuals, text overlays, and engaging music to keep viewers hooked. The right combination can make your videos irresistible. Think about repurposing existing content with your unique twist. This can save time and give new life to old ideas. Just remember, always respect copyright rules. Using copyrighted material without permission can get your channel in trouble. Keep quality at the forefront. High-quality visuals and clear, concise messages are key. Invest in good equipment and software to ensure your videos look professional. This can make a huge difference in viewer retention. Invest in good editing software to polish your videos. The right tools can help you create seamless, engaging content. Take the time to fine-tune your edits. Attention to detail can set your channel apart from the rest. Finally, don't forget about SEO. Use relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags to get discovered. SEO is crucial for getting your videos in front of the right audience. Research the best keywords for your niche and incorporate them naturally into your content. Success on YouTube is within your reach, no matter the language barrier. So go on, get started, and let your creativity shine. The possibilities are endless when you think outside the box. Remember, the world is your audience. Your content can reach viewers from all corners of the globe, and make your mark without saying a word. You've got this. With dedication and creativity, your faceless YouTube channel can become a massive success.
Thank you for watching my videos. For more videos, please subscribe, like, share, comment.